Good afternoon, welcome back to Expat Crib. My name is Ian, and today I have another beautiful house to show you here in Retiro. And this one is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go take a look. Okay, and this is a client who I met during the pandemic. And ironically, I told him he was looking at a place in Medellin at the time in 2020. But he has a family, and I said, you need to come out to Retiro. And when I was back, or when I moved to Retiro, he had moved here a year earlier. But about 3 to 4 years after, I met him on the street here, and he told me, Ian, thank you so much. That was the best advice we ever got to move out here with the family. So he's done an amazing renovation in this home. Let's go take a look. Okay. And the beauty of this house here, okay, it's in Retiro, in a really nice area, okay, and you won't believe what he pays for taxes each year. I think he told me it's about $500 a year for property taxes here. He's got a special deal. So, again, a really nice, I guess a veranda here, okay, and what I love what he's done here, put in big windows, so really good light in this house. And the beauty of this house, it's a standalone house, okay, and the beauty of it is it's almost the price of some of the new apartments here in the city. So this might be one of the best values, especially if you're looking for a house in Retiro. Okay, let's take a look at the kitchen and dining area. Okay. It's a family of 4, so it's a 3-bedroom. And they've done a European style kitchen here. Okay, I know this is going to go fast, and they're building another home here. So again, it's in an area here where the taxes are super low, really nice, super walkable to the river park, the new promenade that I've featured on the channel before. So super good location that way. It's only about a 8 to 10 minute walk to there for reference. Again, look at what they've done here. Okay. And they put in here a really nice area in the back here. Okay, basically could be a pantry back here. Okay, but it is your laundry area, as you can see. And I'm going to reveal the price. It's approximately, depending on the currency right now, about $330,000. And there's apartments in Retiro here that are exceeding that. And here you have a standalone home. So I think it's an absolute fabulous deal. Shouldn't have shut the door there. I locked myself in the laundry room. But I got out. We're okay. So again, beautiful kitchen here. Okay. Okay, and right over here, they've actually put in a really nice social bathroom. Okay. Again, there's no apartment dwellings that I know in the city of Retiro yet that could match this house, but there are apartments that match the price here. So for me, this is a really, really good deal. Okay, so let's take a look upstairs. One more look downstairs here. Okay, let's head up. Done really nice tiles in the house here too. And again, What I love is a lot of light. They put in skylights overhead here. Okay, and they've kept the original wood floors, but they've refinished them. They've done a really nice job. So right here is the principal master bedroom. Okay. Look at the views. Look at the city views here. Again, if you guys are interested, you can contact me at expatcrib.com/contact, and you can quote Retiro Casa, and I'll know what you're talking about. And here they have a nice little walk-in closet here. Okay. Again, ample space for two, I would say. Okay. And again, really love the tile work they've done here. Really have done a great job and used some of the bathrooms in Retiro, even in the new places, are so small. And again, in the 2 bathrooms they have here, actually 3, they've created a lot of space. So they've done a really nice job here. All right. Again, wouldn't you like to wake up to those views? So a house in Retiro, centrally located, at the price of some apartments here now. For me, it's a no-brainer. Okay. They have 2 kids. One of the kids' bedrooms right here. Okay. A little later in the day, sorry about the light. It might be, well, turn the light on here, but it's not going to add a lot. But again, you can get the idea. The beautiful views. Okay, and here's the second bedroom again. Skylights in all the rooms, which I love. And in the main hallway also. So, and you wouldn't know it, but this room has a big walk-in closet too, right behind the door here. You know, it's not all the time I see a place like this where I just see the value. And honestly, some of the properties we get could be on the market, again, just because people don't see them, for a year, some even 2 years. We've had some in Poblado go in 2 weeks, but this is a place here where I just think there's a lot of value if you want to live in Retiro. And you're just I would say $10,000 to $20,000 higher than some apartments here. But for me, it's a way better value to have this house here, especially with a tax bill each year, a property tax bill of $500. So, yeah. Okay, and here is the social bathroom for the upstairs. Again, really, really nice tile work they've done here. Okay, you've got your rain shower. Yeah, really nice sink. And let's just take one look around the back yard here, because they have a small yard. Again, most of it is in the front. Okay, and you can see how they've got I would say room for at least 2 vehicles, possibly 3. Okay, and we can actually go around the back here, around the house. Okay, And again, how another feature of this house is they have gas, and the gas here for the stove and the hot water is super cheap. I mean, you can see that's a small tank, but that'll probably last them at least 15 days or more. They've done a really, really nice job here. Okay. And they've done a really nice job of the landscaping also here, as you can see. Let's just walk out here and we can end the video where we started, just so you can get another view of the house. Okay. And we're around 5 o'clock in the afternoon here. So yes, if you have any questions or comments in the comment section, just let me know. But this is a house here in Retiro, standalone house. Again, the price is approximately $330,000, and again, taxes $500 a year. So really good value here. Again, a house here that they've renovated, and it's the price of a higher end apartment here. So again, any questions, let me know. This is Ian from Expat Crib, and we'll see you in the next one.